Hey, this is Adam Jessam. I'm a co-founder at IronSight, and today I'm going to be demoing our new feature that's available for service providers on our Pro plan, and it's a QuickBooks Online integration. It allows you to select many completed jobs, batch them together, and in one click, automatically create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. You're probably wondering how much time will this save me on my invoicing process. So first, let's measure the old way. And this is a process I'm all too familiar with. Many don't know this, but we actually started out as a trucking company. Then over here is a stack of tickets that I was responsible for invoicing. So many late nights of transferring the chicken scratch writing here into QuickBooks and buyer portals and other systems. I'll start a timer and then I'll do what we usually do here, where we copy information out of IronSight manually, paste it into the QuickBooks invoice line. This is time consuming because I have to put the date, item, ticket number, description, truck, location, quantity, rate, and tax. And then I have to repeat this for 10 jobs, each with 2 line items each. All right, I'll stop my timer, and that's 24 minutes and 34 seconds. And now for the exciting part. Let's see how fast we can get it done with IronSight's new QuickBooks Online integration. I'll start my timer, and let's make an invoice for Infinite Oil Co. We'll select 10 completed jobs, add them to a batch. I'll put in my payment terms, a memo. The lease is very conveniently auto-populated from the jobs. I'll put in another invoice header field. Click save, and now I've created batch number 1035, and it has 10 jobs, each with 2 line items, for a subtotal of $5,375. This is all looking good to me, so I'll press sync to QuickBooks Online, wait a few seconds, and just like that, it's synced, and there's even a handy link to open that invoice in QuickBooks Online. And I'll stop my timer at just under a minute. Okay, let's click this link to go see what the invoice looks like. And here it is, invoice 1035. And look at all this data that I didn't need to enter in manually. And the beauty of this is a fully finalized invoice. It includes everything from the customer's names, the invoice number, terms, dates, the invoice header fields, and then all 20 of the line items have been fully scoped into each of these lines, from the service date, the item, the detailed information from the ticket, quantity, rate, and tax, and finally down at the bottom your memo, and then the matching subtotal that you'll find over in IronSight. Okay, drum roll for the results. The old way, we were seeing about 2.5 minutes per ticket, and the new way was 0.1 minutes per ticket. And that means we're saving about 2.5 minutes per ticket on data entry during the invoicing. For a large service provider like this one doing 6,000 jobs per month, that means that this integration could save them 250 hours per month on their invoicing process. But wait, there's one more thing. This is something you can set up by yourself in minutes. Head into the admin portal, into the app section, connect QuickBooks Online integration. You'll authorize it and sign in. Decide what invoice numbering scheme you want, what should be in the description column. From there, you can create mappings between your products and services and the companies between the 2 systems, so that things like spelling mismatches don't matter. Once you do that, you can start syncing. Okay, that's a wrap. If you want to learn more or get started, I'd recommend you go to ironsight.app/QuickBooks-online.